In this declutter challenge, I want to place most of my clothes in the closet and some of my husband's clothes. The rest of his tops and jeans will be in the drawers and some remaining in here. Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. I have decided to start a series where I will be decluttering, and so the first room to do on my list is the master bedroom. If you like videos like cleaning and decluttering and organizing, then stay tuned for more videos like this one.
Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through it.
Alright you guys, so these are my clothes that I am not going to keep. Oh, I forgot, I have to remove the comfy blanket. Besides that, these are all the clothes that I am no longer going to keep, so I'll probably donate the majority of them. Some items I will probably end up tossing. Some things I already placed in a bag that I'm going to be donating. Alright you guys, so this is where I am in this process of decluttering in this room here. I am going to finish up decluttering all the things that belong to me. Then I'm going to start decluttering all the things that belong to my husband. I have so much more to do. Shoes and other accessories and things that are in this room. Concentrating mainly on the master bedroom for now. But yes, all this, you saw how I look. It's amazing to me how much we accumulate. Alright, let's keep going. Okay, so these are my husband's clothes. So we're going to try and get most of his clothes that are here. We're going to try and place them in those drawers.
Everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Here are some tags that I purchased from Hobby Lobby.
Everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
knows what you think about me, and I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you.
Okay, people, so this is how I condense most of my husband's clothes. These are the things that will be hanging. Those pants right there. And those shirts.
I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could, the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you.
These items here are questionable, so he wanted me to leave a pile of things that I wasn't sure if they were going to work or not.
Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, I don't need this right now.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling
These are all the shoes that I will be donating or putting into the trash. And this is what is left over of all the things that I am no longer going to keep. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. See you in the next one.